Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack Daily challenge, that is, function, getArrayOfRightSmallerCount. The first for loop is the start of the outer loop that iterates through each element of the array ARR. Int count equals 0. Initializes a variable count to 0. This variable will be used to store the count of integers on the right side of the current element that are greater than the current element. Next, the second for loop is the start of the inner loop that iterates through the elements to the right of the current element, ARR I. If ARR j less than ARR I, checks if the element at position I in the array, ARR I, is greater than the current element at position j in the array, ARR j. Next, if the condition is true, increments the count variable, that is, count ARR I equals count. Assigns the final count value to the current element in the array, ARR I. Return ARR. Returns the modified array with counts. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.